Marriage is one of life's greatest gifts, and my hope for you as the years pass by is may you continue to find deeper levels of joy, happiness, and fulfillment all the days of your life.
I'll be there to help you. I'll be right there by your side every time.
Morgan and Mark, your journey together is truly something special. It's clear to see how deeply you care for each other, how you've chosen each other every day, through good times and bad, through every season of your life.
I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be your helping hand, a constant friend.
Morgan, you have always been determined and ambitious. Your drive is incredible, and your capacity to care for the people around you is truly inspiring. Watching you grow into who you were always meant to be has been an honor.
I'll be there for you. Time will turn just like a page, and there will come a day.
Mark's dedication to his craft carried over to other aspects in life. He made school look easy, making honor roll year after year, and made college look like a breeze. There was no doubt that whatever Mark put his mind to, he would achieve at a high level.
I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be your helping hand, a constant friend for you.
I, Mark, give you, Morgan, this ring
I, Morgan, give you Mark this ring.
as a symbol of my love and fidelity.
As I place it on your finger,
I commit my whole heart and soul to you.
I'll be there for you. I'll be there to help you. I'll be there for you.
Morgan, thank you for making Mark the happiest guy in the world. You have been a great addition to our family and the best dog mom to Teddy.
I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be your helping hand, a constant friend for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there to help you.
Morgan, seeing you in your beautiful dress, glowing with joy, and Mark, seeing the way you look at her, I know that you two are meant to be. My wish for you both is a lifetime of happiness, excitement, and love. To Mark and Morgan, here's to your lifelong journey of love and togetherness. Cheers, everyone.
I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be your helping hand, a constant friend for you.
I hope that God continues to bless the two of you with much love and happiness. Congratulations, and I wish you all the best.
And I'll be there to help you. And I'll be there anytime you call.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor that I get introduced for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Mark and Morgan Rossetti.